Alright, second time around, welcome to Ivana. I think ito yung mas upgrade. Dahil I think nandun na yung pa-port and yung mga puntahan talaga yung kanina old signage or arc. So ito, welcome to Ivana. May pot, I think, I'm not sure with the history or story behind it. I think behind that parang baol. I think pag tag-ulan or tag-bagyo, ito yung mga baol. Para basta big pot na pinag-iimbakan nila ng pagkain nila. Siyempre kung may bagyo, before may tsunami pa nga. So they need to store yung mga food na matagal masira. So I think yun yung story behind that. Pero at the back of it, so ito lang yung bike natin, very useful. May hydraulic something ba yun, park. Kaya kahit medyo bump, kung merong part na bumpy yung road, which is madalang kasi mas paltado na, helpful. Salamat ulit kay Kuya Arnel. So ito, it's fact na ino-honor nila si Andres Bonifacio as one of our national heroes na definitely may ginawa rin, isa sa mga may nagawang contribution sa pagkakaroon natin ng freedom against the Spaniards. And typical day dito sa Ivana. May bike sila, si tatay kanina nandun, nagbatian kami. And good to know, I think kasi dun sa bago dito sa Welcome to Ivana, yung newly built na nila signage, nakalagay doon child friendly. So iniisip ko, basically child friendly meaning they are very loving and caring with the children. I think para to testify one of the claim, meron silang talagang, I think bagong-bago pa to kasi yung kulay niya, yung paint. So meron silang children's area where na-miss ko tuloy yung pagkabata. May slide, may tuyan, so playground. Kung ako yung bata dito, nako, ang sarap maglaro kahit maghapon. Tapos ang tapat ng playground mo, eto makikita mo, saan ka pa. So going there few hundred meters away, I think San Vicente and in Ivana Port na. So what a lovely place, napakatahimik. Hindi ka talaga magsasawang bumalik. Si tatay na upo lang na saglit doon, nagpahinga sa malapit sa bike natin. So nagsisimula na maglandingan yung mga tricycle, I think, kasi yung mga nag-tricycle tour, either susundo sila dun sa port or maghahatid or nag-start na sila mag-tour nga. Kasi may tricycle tour din, yung mga homestay, they can refer to different tricycle drivers. Sa Sabtang, si Ednar Hubalde, yung naging tour guide namin, may na-refer na ako sa kanya kagabi. Dalawa yung tricycle nila. Number 17, dito naman si Kuya Arnel Comoya. So pagkakatanda ko, si Kuya Arnel Comoya. So marami pa silang kilala. And I think yun yung nakakapagpatay up pa ng relationship nila. They are not that greedy or madamot kasi interconnected din naman yung business nila or source of living nila kung sakali. So might as well collaborate kasi naman isang system lang din yung kanilang iniikutan. So better yet, ganun na lang gawin nyo, which is I think very very good strategy for them and for the entire visitors na pupunta dito. Kaya see you later. Onti nilang excited na ako kahit napuntahan ko na yung mga yon, pero still the excitement is still fresh as you. Bye.